All right, so I am just going to try something. I am making a website from scratch. It's going to be able to scrape the API from the Pokemon website for UIC. And the point is to see how fast I can code this with AI. So again, completely from scratch. You can see everything that I'm doing. Of course, the terminal is going to mess this up. So I've just been coding with this cursor, and it is actually insane. So help me make a Next.js app. I don't even need to look up documentation. I can just look it up here. All right, command, because I keep forgetting. So it's called UIC availability. It's gonna make everything for me. TypeScript, blah 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 blah. Don't care. Gonna commit init. Wait, are we done yet? Shoot. I think it's just installing. Alright. Just make sure it, lock. Just make sure, right, sorry. We're not in the thing. Just gonna run it, make sure it is working with the dev. All right, so this is the easy part. We all know how to do this. So npx make thing. Wow, Jared, you're really good at this. So now we're going to actually try to figure out how we're doing this. So I noticed that there are some back-end fetches. My whole history is Twitter is terrible. It's using this service called waitwhile, and I noticed how the network calls actually. Okay, so that was easy. Availability from date. Okay, so it's just API parameters. Can we just say the entire weekend, date, 20th, number of book spots. Okay, I mean this looks like everything. Or this is just for 220. So there's 20, 21, 22, 23. First available slots, I wonder. Okay. So I mean we want all availability, right? So let's switch to I think we're supposed to use a composer here. I don't really know how to start with this. I want to make an app that shows the availabilities. Also, whenever you paste in a link, it for some reason like paste it as a source. I don't quite know how to not do that. Shows the availabilities for the Pokemon Center. Here is the URL to fetch for 220. I want to do this for 220. I think it was 221, 222, and 223. Display all of the availability times in a nicely organized list. Let's see what we can get on initial generation here. Why are we using client for the page? That's immediately wrong. We can't. No, we can't. No, hold on. We can't use client for the page. Make a component. Wait, what? You can't use client for the page. This is a Next.js server component. Just fetch the data. Does it know how to do that? Does it know Next.js? Hello? Ah, you're right. Yeah, I know I'm right. Uh, also await fetch. Wait, can we use promise.all to fetch instead of fetching in sequence? I noticed this with something I was coding yesterday where, see, it's like, yeah, it would be more efficient. Like, why don't we start with that, right? All right, let's just accept this, and we're gonna get some TypeScript errors. I read map of undefined. All right, let's see what we initially get on the page. Okay, I wonder if this is even right. No of it. It's already booked already. Okay, well, so we see that it made the page, right? Is this actually true? Okay. We have a problem. It is, why is it starting at the 19th? It should be 20th through 23rd. I already did a pretty decent job here. UTC. Okay, I mean, that makes sense. So you convert it to, I don't know why that should, failed to fetch data for 221. What is it doing here? Why isn't it fetching for the 23rd? Should be fetching this. See, it pastes it. I don't know how to, there's probably a keyboard binding to paste without. So for some reason it's not fetching this. Or else it would show us availabilities, because there are availabilities on the 23rd. Wait. What is it doing? It should literally just be fetching from date. What the heck is it doing here? Let's just see what it, okay. Why is it only displaying num book spots, num available? For some reason it's not doing the logic right. It's not working. Can just maybe tell it to use this schema. Can you use this schema on fetch? Notably, num spots is the total available slot, or the total number of slots, and num available slots are the slots that are available. Just needs a little help. It's a little stupid. Ah, yes. Okay, so now we got some interfaces. Was it not doing, like, what was it? What was it doing? I feel like there's like a sort of a weird sort of hallucination that it does. Why is it not showing? Okay, this is like interesting. Like, why isn't it working? Data dot slots? There's no data dot slots. That's just filter date num available. Yeah, there's no data dot slots here. Okay, cool. That's all we needed. Okay. That's awesome. So now let's just do, this is good. This looks a little bit long. Can you add a description to the page to describe what it's doing? Just like in English. You don't even need to write like text. You could just tell it to write text for you. It's so funny. Am I missing any console logs? No, okay. Control Enter, apply, check available, Excel. How does it know it's in Excel? That's creepy. How does it know it's in the Excel center? That's like, this looks a little weird. I don't know how to like shorten it, but I mean, oh, okay. So, okay. The one thing that I see, wait, what's total capacity? Can you, that's a little misleading. Can you remove total capacity under each date and instead make the num spots in each of the time cards more clear? You don't even need to be concise with it. You can just like speak in gibberish. Example, say like 3 out of 225 spots available. Like that would just make more sense, right? Like in each, instead of saying 3 spots, 1 spot, 30 spots, like 3 out of blah 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 available. Because how it is right now doesn't make any sense, right? It's like total capacity. It's like, what does that mean? You know what also make it better is, if we can color code it, can we color code the availability to maybe make it more red if it's less available and more green if it's more available, yellow for in between. The nice part is that you don't even need to define specs with this. You can literally just, yeah. You can literally just like describe it and it will come up with specs for you. So let's just accept all of them. Okay, that's a lot more readable, I think. Available times 3. Can we make it actually, can we make the red orange if there's still spots available for that time? If no available for that time, because I don't want it to be red, make it red. Because 3 out of 225, right? It's like there's still spots available. See, it's agreeing with me, but it's like, bro, why didn't you do that in the first place? Red, no spots. Orange, low. Yeah, that seems right. Okay, yeah, this looks better. Now, I'm wondering if it works for mobile. Oh, it does work for mobile. Heyo. All right. I think we're done. I think we're done. It's fetching it from the API. It's done. That is crazy. We just push. Go to Vercel. Let's go to our team. New project. Let's import this. I do want to see how many people come to this, so I'm gonna add analytics real quick and wait. I wonder if this can tell me. Can you add Vercel analytics to this? That's so nice. It just like, and you can also just click on commands to run them, which honestly I don't love, but like, I completely forgot to do this, by the way. It is probably not great how it's all in one page, right? But like, it's whatever. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I wonder how much time I spent. Let's check OBS. 15 minutes. Look at that. All right, we've deployed the site. That's crazy. That is insane. Okay, so we made the site. That 15 minutes. Took 15 minutes to make I mean, it's not full stack because there's technically no backend, but just a simple little tool to show how many spots available. Again, this is all something that I made. I'm not affiliated with the Pokemon company or anything like that. It's currently building the analytics, so we're going to get the analytics of who comes. 15 minutes. That's pretty good. Can we make sure we have the analytics here? Enable. Yeah, let's enable hobby. We already have that, so yeah, that about concludes this coding session before work. That is crazy. It's called create next app still. I don't know why it didn't rename that automatically, but cool. I'm gonna tweet this, and that fact I coded it in 15 minutes is honestly unreal. But yeah, that concludes this video. See ya.